Let's discuss key production shop floor roles and their key result areas in organizations. 1. Production Manager. The production manager is responsible for overseeing the production processes, ensuring that they are running efficiently and effectively. They are responsible for production planning and scheduling, inventory management, quality control, cost management, and team management. Key performance indicators for the production manager include production cycle time, production yield, and labor productivity. People who report to the production manager include production supervisors, quality control inspectors, machine operators, and assembly line workers. Some of the tools and technologies used by production managers include enterprise resource planning software, computer-aided manufacturing software, and statistical process control software. 2. Production Supervisor. The production supervisor is responsible for supervising the production processes, ensuring that quality standards are maintained, training and developing the production staff, ensuring safety regulations are followed, and identifying and resolving production issues. KPIs for production supervisors include production output, quality standards compliance, and employee turnover rate. People who report to production supervisors include machine operators, assembly line workers, and material handlers. Some of the tools and technologies used by production supervisors include manufacturing execution systems, computerized maintenance management systems, and quality management systems. 3. Quality Control Inspector. The Quality Control Inspector is responsible for ensuring that quality standards are met during production, inspecting products and materials, identifying and resolving quality issues, maintaining quality records and documentation, and communicating with production staff about quality concerns. KPIs for quality control inspectors include defect rate, inspection time, and customer satisfaction rate. People who report to quality control inspectors include production supervisors, machine operators, and assembly line workers. Some of the tools and technologies used by quality control inspectors include coordinate measuring machines, optical comparators, and inspection software. 4. Machine Operator. The machine operator is responsible for operating and maintaining production equipment, monitoring equipment performance, identifying and resolving production issues, and ensuring equipment is properly maintained. KPIs for machine operators include production output, machine uptime, and equipment maintenance costs. People who report to machine operators include production supervisors and maintenance technicians. Some of the tools and technologies used by machine operators include programmable logic controllers, human-machine interfaces, that is ME, and computer numerical control machines. 5. Assembly line worker. The assembly line worker is responsible for assembling products according to specifications, monitoring production processes, identifying and resolving production issues, and maintaining a clean and safe work area. KPIs for assembly line workers include production output, defect rate, and assembly time. People who report to assembly line workers include production supervisors and quality control inspectors. 6. Maintenance Technician. The maintenance technician is responsible for maintaining production equipment, identifying and resolving equipment issues, performing preventive maintenance, and ensuring equipment is properly calibrated. KPIs for maintenance technicians include equipment uptime, maintenance costs, and mean time between failures, that is MTBF. People who report to maintenance technicians include machine operators and production supervisors. Some of the tools and technologies used by maintenance technicians include CMMS, condition monitoring systems, and predictive maintenance software. 7. Logistics Coordinator. The Logistics Coordinator is responsible for managing logistics and transportation of materials and products, monitoring inventory levels, coordinating shipments and deliveries, and ensuring compliance with regulations. KPIs for logistics coordinators include delivery time, inventory turnover rate, and transportation costs. People who report to logistics coordinators include material handlers, and shipping and receiving coordinators. Some of the tools and technologies used by logistics coordinators include transportation management systems, that is TMS, warehouse management systems, that is WMS, and radio frequency identification, that is RFID, technology. 8. Material handler. The material handler is responsible for moving materials and products throughout the production area, monitoring inventory levels, ensuring materials are properly stored and labeled, and communicating with production planners about material needs. KPIs for material handlers include inventory accuracy, inventory turnover rate, and material handling time. People who report to material handlers include logistics coordinators and production planners. Some of the tools and technologies used by material handlers include forklifts, automated storage and retrieval systems, that is USRs, and conveyor systems. 9. Production planner. The production planner is responsible for planning and scheduling production activities, coordinating with other departments, and ensuring materials and equipment are available when needed. KPIs for production planners include production schedule adherence, inventory turnover rate, and production cycle time. People who report to production planners include material handlers and machine operators. Some of the tools and technologies used by production planners include ERP systems, advanced planning and scheduling, that is APS, software, and capacity planning tools. Tooling engineer. The tooling engineer is responsible for designing and maintaining production tools and fixtures, identifying and resolving tooling issues, and ensuring tools are properly calibrated and maintained. KPIs for tooling engineers include tooling cost per unit, tooling lead time, and tooling uptime. People who report to tooling engineers include machine operators and maintenance technicians. Some of the tools and technologies used by tooling engineers include computer-aided design, that is CAD, software, finite element analysis, that is FEA, software, and tool management systems. Industrial engineer. The industrial engineer is responsible for analyzing production processes, identifying areas for improvement, implementing process improvements, and reducing production costs. KPIs for industrial engineers include cost savings, process cycle time, and process efficiency. People who report to industrial engineers include production supervisors and process engineers. Some of the tools and technologies used by industrial engineers include process simulation software, value stream mapping, that is VSM, software, and time and motion studies. Safety manager. The safety manager is responsible for developing and implementing safety policies and procedures, conducting safety training, ensuring compliance with safety regulations, and identifying and resolving safety issues. KPIs for safety managers include number of safety incidents, lost time injury rate, and safety compliance rate. People who report to safety managers include production supervisors and quality control inspectors. Some of the tools and technologies used by safety managers include safety management systems, that is SMS, incident management software, and risk assessment tools. Lean manufacturing engineer. The lean manufacturing engineer is responsible for implementing lean manufacturing principles, identifying and eliminating waste, improving efficiency and productivity, and reducing production costs. KPIs for lean manufacturing engineers include cost savings, process efficiency, and production output. People who report to lean manufacturing engineers include production supervisors and process engineers. Some of the tools and technologies used by lean manufacturing engineers include Lean Six Sigma methodology, value stream mapping, that is VSM, software, and Kaizen events. Process engineer. The process engineer is responsible for analyzing production processes, identifying areas for improvement, implementing process improvements, and reducing production costs. KPIs for process engineers include process cycle time, process efficiency, and production output. People who report to process engineers include production supervisors and machine operators. Some of the tools and technologies used by process engineers include process simulation software, statistical process control, that is SPACE, software, and design of experiments, that is DO, tools. Automation engineer. The automation engineer is responsible for developing and implementing automation solutions, identifying and resolving automation issues, reducing production costs, improving efficiency and productivity. KPIs for automation engineers include cost savings, automation uptime, and production output. People who report to automation engineers include machine operators and maintenance technicians. Some of the tools and technologies used by automation engineers include programmable logic controllers, that is PLC, human-machine interfaces, that is ME, and robotics. Continuous Improvement Manager. The Continuous Improvement Manager is responsible for developing and implementing continuous improvement programs, identifying and resolving production issues, improving efficiency and productivity. KPIs for continuous improvement managers include cost savings, process efficiency, and production output. People who report to continuous improvement managers include lean manufacturing engineers and quality control inspectors. Some of the tools and technologies used by continuous improvement managers include continuous improvement methodologies, root cause analysis, that is RCA, tools, and performance metrics software. Research and development engineer. The research and development engineer is responsible for developing new products and technologies, improving existing products and technologies, and identifying and resolving technical issues. KPIs for research and development engineers include number of patents filed, time to market for new products, and product quality. People who report to research and development engineers include process engineers and quality control inspectors. Some of the tools and technologies used by research and development engineers include computer-aided design, that is CAD, software, finite element analysis, that is FEA, software, and rapid prototyping tools. Production Control Coordinator. The Production Control Coordinator is responsible for monitoring production schedules, ensuring materials and equipment are available when needed, and coordinating with other departments. KPIs for Production Control Coordinators include production schedule adherence, inventory turnover rate, and production cycle time. People who report to Production Control Coordinators include material handlers and machine operators. Some of the tools and technologies used by Production Control Coordinators include ERP systems, APS software, and capacity planning tools. Packaging and Labeling Technician. The Packaging and Labeling Technician is responsible for packaging and labeling products according to specifications, monitoring inventory levels, ensuring products are properly labeled and packaged. KPIs for Packaging and Labeling Technicians include packaging and labeling accuracy, inventory turnover rate, and production output. People who report to packaging and labeling technicians include production supervisors and material handlers. Some of the tools and technologies used by packaging and labeling technicians include label design software, packaging machinery, and barcode scanners. Shipping and Receiving Coordinator. The Shipping and Receiving Coordinator is responsible for coordinating shipments and deliveries, monitoring inventory levels, ensuring products are properly received and shipped. piece for shipping and receiving coordinators include on-time delivery rate, inventory accuracy, and transportation costs. People who report to shipping and receiving coordinators include material handlers and logistics coordinators. Some of the tools and technologies used by shipping and receiving coordinators include transportation management systems, warehouse management systems, and barcode scanners. We really thank you for your time spent on this session. Feel free to meet our partners by sending an inquiry email to contact us at t24global.com. Most of our partners have 15 to 20 years industry experience. So, please get in touch for any quick, managed business process and IT consulting needs.